Hey y'all, today I'm testing lip sync tools to see which one actually works. But first, I gotta drop off these files real quick. Don't be shy, come on. Because some of these tools look really good online, like everything is perfect in the demo, but the second you upload your own character and actually try to use them, things start to fall apart. The mouth movement gets weird and the lip sync just doesn't look right. And before we keep going, check out the fit, hair matching, outfit matching, all of that. I'm breaking down what's free, what's affordable, and which lip sync tool actually gives you natural mouth movement without making your character look stiff or fake. I tested them so you don't have to, and one of these honestly surprised me. This one is Lipsync.video. You can access it through browser, and it is mobile friendly. As you can see, they have a list of AI tools that you can use on here, but today we're using Lipsync. So click on Lipsync, and it brings you over here. Once you're on it, you're going to go down and you're going to upload a video. Here is my example video that I'm going to use, and then I'm going to go down. Now, the best part about this one is that you can use Lipsync 0.1 and it's 90 seconds or Sync 2.0 and it's 30 seconds. So it really depends on which one you want to use. I am going to use the 30-second one because it's better lip sync. Now you're going to go down and you're going to either text something and pick one of these great voices that they have on here. They actually sound really good. I'm going to show you an example.
Welcome to Lipsync.video.
So they do sound great, or you can record an audio of yourself, or you can upload an audio. I'm going to upload an audio. Once I have my audio in, I'm going to go down. Now, the best part about Lipsync.video, it can add subtitles to your video. I'm going to enable it so I can show you what it looks like. Click on Generate, go to your creations, and this is the video. If this video helped you, make sure you like it, subscribe for more videos like this, and check the description for all the tools I tested. If you want deeper tutorials and step-by-step guidance, everything is in. This lip sync tool was exceptional. The lip syncing is great and it is affordable. For Lipsync.video, I give them a high rank for lip sync and their time generation is 10 minutes, but on a free account, about 30 to 90 seconds, and it is extremely affordable. This one is called Hedra. This does not have an app. You have to use it on browser, but it is mobile friendly. What you're going to do is click on Character Video. Once you click on Character Video, you see Add Character and Add Speech. You're going to click on Add Character and click on Upload to add your photo. The best thing about Hedra is that you just have to upload an image like this one, and their generator will add the hand movements and everything else. Now, you're going to add speech. Now, you could either use one of their voices that are in their library. They do use 11 Labs, 11 V2, Miramax, and the rest, as you can see. Now, if you do want to create a voice, you can do that as well. If you click here, it will show you that you can adjust the voice, so you can choose speed or stability. You can also record yourself or upload a file. I'm going to upload a voice file, this one here, and then I'm going to click on this little button down at the bottom and I can choose aspect ratio and resolution. I'm going to keep it at 16:9 and 1080. Once you're done, you click on Generate and then you get this video here. If this video helped you, make sure you like it, subscribe for more videos like this, and check the description for all the tools I tested. If you want deeper tutorials and step-by-step guidance, everything is inside my community. The gestures are a bit dramatic, but the lip sync is pretty on tack for this one. The next one is Hedra AI. Their lip sync isn't that great because I didn't like the hand movements. They were a bit bold, but time generation is more than 10 minutes on a free account, about 30 seconds, and it's kind of affordable. This one is called Dreamface. It is a mobile app, and it also has other applications you can use. This one is good if you're trying to make your avatar sing or talk. You can also make your pets sing or talk, which is pretty cool. Today, we're using Avatar Sing and Talk. We're going to click on that, and then it will bring you over here. Now you're going to click on the plus to add your movement video before the lip sync, like this. Once you have the video that you're using, you're going to add it in. Once it's added in, you're going to go down because this is where you add the voice. So there is a couple options here. You can choose one of the voices they have here.
Hello, welcome to Dream Face.
So they sound really good. Or you can click here and record your own voice or add a file. Now you can type what you want to say, search music or any content, import or record. We're going to import. Once you click on the file and import your video, this is what it will look like. Add it in and then click on Animate Effects. Now, they have the option to click on Dream Avatar 1.0 or Dream Avatar 1 HD. I clicked the 1 HD one because it's better lip syncing. This one is a pretty easy walkthrough and it's mobile. And once your video is done, it will look like this. If this video helped you, make sure you like it, subscribe for more videos like this, and check the description for all the tools I tested. If you want deep for a mobile app, this was really, really good and it's affordable. The next one is Dreamface. Their lip sync is really good. It's also a mobile app. Their time generation does let you do 10 minutes or more. On a free account, you can generate up to 30 seconds. This one is called Sync.so. You use it on browser and it is mobile friendly. I swear by this one. This one is my favorite. Click on Create Project and name what you're going to name the project. Once you're here, you click on Upload. What you're going to do is upload the video that you want to lip sync. Now, they do have really good voices on here as well. I do love that about the lip sync tools. They have great voices.
I believe that we are fundamentally...
That sounded so real. You can also record yourself if you want, and you can choose the stability of the voice so you can make it a little different. Now click on the upload button, and now you can upload the voice file through an upload, through an asset, or record your own voice or detach audio. I'm going to upload through file. I like how it shows you the uploading so that you know when it's done. Once the voice and the video are done uploading, it will look like this. Then you're going to click Lipsync Pro. That's the one that I use. There's also other ones, but this new one called React 1, which I think is exceptional. You can choose just lip sync and facial expressions, or lip sync facial expressions and hand movements, or expressions and lip sync. Then you get to choose the expression you want on your avatar's face. Sync.so literally did their thing with this. I usually use Lipsync Pro because it does what I need it to do. You can also detect talk and speaker, or detect obstructions, enable reasoning. This version is pretty advanced and it does what I need it to do. Then you click sync and this is the video. If this video helped you, make sure you like it, subscribe for more videos like this, and check the description for all the tools I tested. If you want deeper tutorials, and I love Sync.so, but it is a bit pricey, but it does get the job done if you want your avatar speaking fluently in every word. This next one is Sync.so. Their lip sync is extraordinary. It's definitely the best one ever. You can generate more than 10 minutes. You can generate up to 30 minutes on a free account, about a minute, and it is not that affordable, but it gets the job done, so it's worth it. This one is called Dzine.ai. No, it's not mobile friendly, but there is a way to get it working on your browser. Click right there and then click the three little dots down in the right hand corner. And then it's going to say request website browser so that you can actually do it on your phone. I'm already on it, so it says mobile. Once you get here, you'll be able to do anything on the site. Go over and click on lip sync. When you click on lip sync, it takes you over here. Now, with Dzine, you can upload an image or you can upload a video. First, I'm going to show you how to upload an image, because when you upload an image, you can use Pro and it gives it movement and clarity and the hand gestures. You can also generate in 1080, which is pretty great. Click on the Upload Image tab and upload the image you're going to use. This is my girl. The best part about Dzine is that you can make up to 4 people talk in the video, like a podcast or something. Just click on them like this and then click next. Then it will ask you the ratio of your image. You can skip that or just click on your ratio and then you click next. Then it will take you here. Now it shows your speakers. If you had 4, it would show 4 speakers. And you can generate up to 5 minutes. Not too bad. Now you need to add your voice. What you're going to do is pick a voice. And they also have a bunch of voices you can choose from.
The people who are crazy.
If you don't want to, you can upload an audio file that you already did, which is what I'm going to do. Just click on it, upload your file, and then it would look like this. Once you're done and you have your image and your file, you're going to click on Pro because that will make the hands move and generate facial expressions. Then you're going to click on Generate. Once it's done, this will be the video. If this video helped you, make sure you like it, subscribe for more videos like this, and check the description for all the tools I tested. If you want deeper tutorials, so I am going to show you the double person talking or more than one. What you're going to do is upload an image of more than one person talking. I love this tool for this. I'm going to upload my girl with her bestie. And then you just click on the faces, whichever one you want first, and then next. And then you click next, and then it shows you 2 speakers. Now, because you're on mobile, it will not let you slide a voice over so that one can talk, then another one can talk. It would just layer them. I do have a video on how to do it easy and free. It's linked right there at the top, and you can go watch that if you do want to use Dzine. I've already done it, so I'm just going to upload the voices because I already generated them. Just click on Upload Audio, and then I upload the first voice, which is my girl, and then I upload the second voice, which is her bestie. And then it gives a back and forth, and I am going to show you. Make sure you have Pro on and not the other one because this one will help them talk and gesture and facial movements. Then you click Generate. This is the video when it's done.
Okay, but why do all these lip sync tools swear they're the best?
Because the demo looks cute until you upload your avatar.
Exactly. So today I'm testing them for real.
And ranking them. No mercy.
When you're done, you just download the video and then it goes straight to your phone. Now, I do love Dzine, but sometimes the lip movements just aren't synced enough for me. But I do love that you can make more than one person talk. This one is Dzine. Their lip sync isn't that great, but it does work well, and you can generate up to 4 people, which I find really cool if you're doing a podcast. Their time generation is 5 minutes. You cannot do anything on a free account. It's also not that affordable, but it does have a lot of other features on it that are pretty great. If you want deeper tutorials and step-by-step guidance, everything is inside my community. If this video helped you, make sure you like it, subscribe for more videos like this, and check the description for all the tools I tested.